Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin with bike setup and approach. Select a smooth tabletop or small jump and roll in at roughly 30 to 35 km/h, about 25% throttle on most tracks. Stay neutral on the bars and keep fork compression minimal. Do not preload aggressively. Prepare body by shifting weight slightly rearward while maintaining light grip. Timing matters. Compress the suspension, then extend to pop the rear wheel, aiming for a 3-frame pop before the lip to lift the bike cleanly for the Nac Nac. At liftoff, immediately pull rearward on the sticks while initiating the grab input. Press the grab button and nudge the right thumbstick roughly 15 degrees toward the left side to start the Nac Nac arc. Transition your hips and swing the inside leg across the seat in a single fluid motion that takes around 0.6 seconds in midair, avoiding stiff or staged movements. Keep the head looking forward as the leg finishes its arc. Bring the leg back and release the grab before landing to recenter the bike for a neutral touchdown. Aim to land with weight centered and both wheels aligned. Absorb impact by bending knees and elbows to prevent over-rotation and to protect your line. Momentarily reduce throttle for a controlled touchdown, then smoothly reapply power to maintain speed and avoid washing out the exit. Focus on consistency. Repeat the same small jump for 20 to 30 repetitions, adjusting approach speed in 1 to 2 km/h increments until your timing, grab duration, and leg arc reliably produce a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.